Hey everybody, it's Steve. Welcome back. Today I'm going to change the cabin air filter and the engine filter on this 2014 Toyota Avalon XLE. Now this is a job that they love to do for you at the Jiffy Lube or the service station and charge you for it. You know why? Because it's incredibly easy. Anybody can do it, even me. That's right, this is something that even I can do. Okay, so for this job you do not need any tools. I am going to wear gloves just because my engine compartment is a little bit dirty. The most important thing is that you buy the right filters. So I get mine off of Amazon. They have a confirmed fit feature there where I can put in my model information on my car and I get the right one every time. So you can check that out. I have links for the filters for this particular trim line, which is the XLE, in the description, and I have one here in the corner. Okay, all right, we're ready to go. We're going to start with the engine compartment and then we'll do the cabin filter next. If you're interested, at the end of the video I'm going to show you how to put in your VIN number, and that'll tell you all the details about your car that you need in order to make sure that you get the right filter. Alright, stick to the end for that. Alright, let's go. Okay, we'll start with the engine filter. Now that's just located here inside of this housing. It's only secured by these two clasps right here. All you have to do is snap those back, 1, 2, and that's going to free open the lid. But there are also this like a hinge back here, so you're going to sort of push it this way and then lift up, and then that will expose the filter here that you can just reach in, pull out, and then we're going to replace this with a new one. Alright, so put our new filter in. We'll just lift this back up. Now make sure that you have your rubberized thing on the top. That's the top. And we'll slide that in here. Then on the back here, make sure that your two notches are inserted. And then that this side is all the way down, and then your clasps should just snap back into place. And there you go, all done. All right, next we'll do our cabin air filter. I'll use this one that I got off of Amazon to replace it. Now, remember that this filter is specific to this particular model and trim line, so you can go on to Amazon and use their confirmed fit feature and punch in your vehicle information. Now, again, this is a 2014 Toyota Avalon XLE. There are some variations between the different trim lines and models, so make sure that you are getting the right filter. I have links for this one up in the corner here and some down below that will match this particular trim line, but verify it for your model. All right, so our filter is located in the back of the glove box. So we'll just come over here, open up our glove box, and in the back there is a cover which opens with a latch that's on the right hand side. You're going to push that to the left and pull that out. There it is. And then there's a secondary cover back there that has two. One you'll push to the left, one you'll push to the right, and pull that forward. That looks like this, and that will expose the filter. Now the filter is a little bit hard to get out of there because there's no handle or anything on it. So I'm just going to use this large safety pin, and I'm just going to loop it in there a little bit and pull it forward, and there it is. So you'll notice this one is pretty dirty, even a bug in there. You can see that right there. And you'll notice that there is an arrow here that tells you which side is up. So when we go to our new one, we'll make sure that we put our new one in that same direction. All right, here's our new filter. There's our up arrows. So we want to make sure that's going to go in that way. So I'm going to have it facing this way. These things go in line with the vehicle. Next, we'll put our door on. And you see it does say up there, so we'll push that in on both sides. All right, and then finally our last cover here. So this has some notches here. That's going to hook into the left side of the glove box, and then we'll push it forward and snap it into place. And there we go, just that simple. If you want to use the Amazon confirmed fit, but you don't know the answers to all the questions they're asking, you can go to this website, decodethis.com, enter your VIN, and it should tell you just about everything you need to know. The engine type, transmission type, trim line, and so forth. So I find that pretty helpful. Okay, there we go. We have both filters changed out. Now, one thing I would look for when I'm doing this job is any sign of rodent infestation. I actually had a car where the rodents were living in the cabin air filter itself. Nasty business. Now, if you want to try to deter those, I have a video of what I did to prevent them from coming back. Check that out up here in the corner. All right, in the meantime, use my Amazon affiliate links. It gets a little bit of commission to buy your filters, but always use that Amazon confirmed fit to make sure that you're getting the right one for your particular model year and trim line. All right, if you found this video helpful, please hit that like button, please subscribe. And until next time, this has been Steve for things that even a high can do.